In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your settings and there scroll down until you find Control Center. And there you need to find screen recording and add this here to included controls. For that, just tap on the plus icon and now screen recording is added here. So now I can make a short swipe from the top right corner to open the control center, and here I see the screen recording icon, and I can now use it by two ways. First way, just make a short tap. I have a 3 seconds countdown and there screen recording is started. Now I can make any actions on my phone, then go back here or go back here to stop that action, or just tap here on the time to stop screen recording, and recorded video was just saved to my photos. Or I can use it in such way, I can tap here and hold, and here first I can set where to send the recorded file. There are a bunch of different applications. I will leave photos here, and here you can set microphone off or on. Now microphone is off. I can tap here to turn on the microphone if I want to make some comments during recording the video, and then from here I can tap on start recording. Got the 3 seconds countdown, and now screen is being recorded. When I'm done, I can just tap on stop recording. That's how it works, and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.